Welcome to the jungle, counting adventure. Let's explore the jungle and count animals from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go! Number 1. Look, it's one big friendly lion walking proudly through the jungle. Number 2. Ooh, here come 2 baby elephants splashing happily in the water. Number 3. 3 silly monkeys swing from the vines. Can you swing with them? Number 4. 4 colorful parrots flap their wings high in the bright sky. Number 5. 5 zebras are trotting together across the grass. They look so happy. Number 6. 6 tiny frogs hop from one lily pad to another. Boing, boing, boing. Number 7. 7 little turtles take a slow and steady walk by the stream. Number 8. 8 full snakes wiggle around the rocks. They look cute and friendly. Number 9. Great tall giraffes peek from behind the trees. Hello, giraffes. And finally, number 10. 10 jungle animals are celebrating together. Great job counting with me today. You did amazing! Thank you for joining the jungle counting